to my channel. This is a cookbook kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes. And guys, welcome to Vlogmas with the cookbook kitchen. Today we have a new recipe, new video. Guys, the recipe comes from boom. So in today's video we'll try and make these pancakes, but there's a twist. This is a twist. We will make red velvet pancakes. It's the festive season, guys. Let's be extra. So welcome to today's video as we make some red velvet pancakes. Let's see if we are going to use the exact recipe. The only thing we are going to add into the recipe is the color. Welcome. Let me show you what we are working with, but as I show you, I'll start by heating my cast iron pan. So we let this one sit there as it heats up. I've looked at the recipe, doesn't take a lot of time. So let's start. Let's see what we are working with today. I have some gluten-free flour blend. I have an egg. I have some milk. I have some butter, but I need to melt this first. I have some monk fruit sweetener. I have some baking powder, some xanthan gum, and some salt. So guys, the first thing that you're going to do, we are going to sift the flour, the sweetener, the baking powder, xanthan gum, and the salt. And as we do that, I will melt my butter. I forgot to mention, because we are making some red velvet pancakes, we shall use a few drops of food color. I really wanted to use beetroot, but as I was experimenting, the beetroot powder that I bought was not dissolving and it was just becoming pink. So I went out and tried to look for the best food color that I could get. Apparently this one claims that it is gluten-free. So let's try and use it. So here's our flour. Now we need to add the milk, the butter, and the egg. The milk, the butter, and the egg. Then a few drops. Let's put 3 first. Then we will add if we need more intense color. Here's our butter, guys. So let's cook. Guys, our pancakes are ready for the drizzle. I mixed some cream cheese, I powdered monk fruit sweetener, some plain yogurt, and almond extract. Yo, so time to taste. So guys, let's taste our pancakes. If you're looking for a pancake recipe this festive season, try out this pancake recipe from baked to perfection, and guys, enjoy. Wow. People, see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Don't forget to like, to share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Bye bye, and God bless.